Hi, thanks for tuning in. My name is Joe Boer. I work for Transwest Trailers out of Brighton, Colorado. And today I wanted to do a walk around on a Dorsey drop deck. We'll kind of start at the front here. We've got a truck going by here, so it might be a little bit noisy. Front of the trailer has some stake pockets if you ever needed to put in a bulkhead in the front of the trailer there. It doesn't come standard with those, but you can add them. Pretty typical stuff on the front. You have your two glad hands and your 7-way plug there. Over to the side here, the upper deck on this trailer is going to be 11 foot. Kind of helps out with some different sizes of bales of hay. Some of our customers hauling hay really like that 11-foot upper. As you come over here, we have a Yoast 2-speed landing gear right here. Pretty standard stuff. We come over on the side here. We have our rub rail. We always put double pipe spools in and in our stake pockets. We have 12 sliding winches on the lower and upper deck here. So 12 overall, front to back. As you're coming back here, kind of walk back to the suspension area. We're going to have a 10-2 spread on 22.5 rubber and steel wheels on this. It's a Hendrickson in-track suspension. We do have this one. We try to put one box on all of our trailers to make it a little more convenient for our customers. This is a 60-inch box, aluminum box, lockable, so you can put your chains, your binders, anything else you need to haul for putting your box there. If you come to the back here and looking at the decking, we use Apitong decking is what we use standard on all of our stock trailers. Super strong material, very durable, and you could probably use it to put some boiled linseed oil on it to recondition it every once in a while, but it's a long-lasting product for all of our customers. You're coming back here. If you're looking at the main frame on the trailer, front to back, it's a nice, strong beam. They use a one-piece beam front to back, so there's no, you're not welding any parts of that beam, so it makes it a little stronger. Like I said before, it's a 10-2 spread on it. We do have it all the way to the rear. Our customers that are hauling hay or counterweights for cranes and so forth like it all the way to the rear, so you don't overrate that rear axle. So that's always for our hay haulers. They always want it moved back. Anybody else who's doing, like, it's not a cow legal trailer, so it's not going to be 40-foot kingpin to centered rear axle. But this particular trailer has been very popular for us here. I think I talked a little bit already on the double pipe spools. It's a 41-inch deck height, loaded deck height, 41 inches. And I think that's about it for this trailer. It's a pretty basic drop deck, steel drop deck trailer. I guess there's one other thing. There's on the cross members on the trailer, they're 12-inch centers. So again, my name is Joe Boer. My cell phone number is 720-257-1126. That's the best way to reach me, is calling that number. If you have any questions or comments, just please leave them below on the comments below. Thank you and have a great day.